So in this video we're going to go ahead and download and install Python for Windows platform. Now if you are running a Mac or running a Linux computer, do refer to the separate video I will upload in the next section. So it's because the process of downloading and installing Python is slightly different to other platforms like Linux or Mac. So first thing to do is go to this website python.org. So once you get there, you can move your mouse down to this here download section. So then you will see that you have a little pop-up window, and select only this version 3.10.2. so I'm going to click that and download. As you can see, I already downloaded that. So what you have to do, click that, download, and okay, let me just show you. Now the downloading and all, it shouldn't take long. So I just want to mention that you probably don't want to download the Python 2 in this lecture or in this site, because you can also choose any of the version from here, but it's better to choose this one because I will work on this one. Now if you click that, and as you can see, I have already installed it. So let me just install again, or so what you really need to do is just click on the let me just show you. Okay, let me install first so that I can tell you how to install this correctly. So now let me install this. So as you can see, you need to check this at Python 3.102 the path, and simply just install now, and you need to allow this app, press yes. So it's a very important that you do that and add to the path. So as you can see, previously I checked the path, so you can just close. So all you need to do is check if your Python is working or not. So what you do is click to the run, type command, and type Python. As you can see, my system already detected the Python that I installed, Python 3.10.2. and if it's not recognized as an internal or external command, two things probably happen. Firstly, you may not have clicked on that path that I showed at the first of the installation, and secondly, you may need to reboot your computer for the changes to take the effect. So first thing first, reboot and see if this works. Another way to check is just check the apps folder where you install the Python. Like as you can see, I have installed the Python, so click this. As you can see, you can work on install and working correctly on this PC. So most cases it works, but if you have problem, then just reboot the computer. I think it will be fine. So this is the we are done with the installation of Python, so we will move to the next one.